The Fijian community in Port Moresby came together at the embassy in downtown for a night of culture and celebration. The event, which was called the Fijian Meke Night, was a small representation of what the community had planned for the bigger outdoor event on Saturday at the Sir Hubert Murray Stadium. Whakawela, in the context of Fijian culture, refers to a traditional act of giving or receiving a gift, often a meal of food, to someone who has come to visit or to honor them in some way. It can also be used more broadly to describe the act of showing hospitality or appreciation to someone. On the night, the guests were entertained by traditional dances from both male and female dancers, and of course, it is not a Fijian celebration if there is no cover in the mix. Fijian High Commissioner to PNG, His Excellency Jackson Bernard Nato Evans, encouraged his fellow Fijians living in Port Moresby to continue embracing their cultural values.
As we leave Fiji to come to the nations, they took us out of Fiji. But they can't take the Fiji out of us. So as we go, as we come to this land, you were not given by your parents the culture and the traditions you had. What you see today was not given by your parents, it's something given from above. God gave us that culture. He gave us that tradition. And as you go, wherever you go, treasure that. Today, as we speak, we extend Fiji's footprint here in Papua New Guinea. We will go and showcase Fiji on Saturday. In all that we do, let them see a Christ in us. Let them see the Fijian in us. We are happy people. And we enjoy life and very friendly. So all the best for us, Sugunadi. As you go and you continue your service here, remember, these values are quite interesting. These values are important to us.
He also highlighted Fiji and Papua New Guinea's diplomatic relationship, which runs almost concurrently with the country's 50th anniversary in September.
We have the big event coming up in September. We have the 50th anniversary of independence for the nation of Papua New Guinea. In October, we have the 50th anniversary also of Fiji's diplomatic relations with Papua New Guinea. We also have 150 years of our missionaries being here. We also have a celebration of our coming here and serving different capacities even in World War II. And we have graves all over Papua New Guinea. But we have a link and a brotherhood, and that's good. I thank you for those that have strengthened that by being married here. Wonderful. That's marriage sanctioned in heaven. Thank you very much.
During the Asian and Pacific Story celebrations on Saturday, the Fiji community took part in food and cultural exhibitions alongside Solomon Islands and West Papua as part of the lead-up events to the 50th anniversary celebrations in September later this year.